This is the Sangean CL-100. Same tabletop weather hazard alert with AM, FM, RBDS, alarm clock, radio. Public alert, no weather band. Aside from an internet radio, this probably has all the bells and whistles that a radio could possibly have. And I cannot wait to unbox this and show it to you. The manual, pamphlets, warranty card, AC adapter. What's interesting about this AC adapter that I see right off the bat is that this AC adapter looks like it has a ferrite installed. Looks like it has an angled display so that it's tabletop. You won't have to move it to see what's going on. You have weather button here with warning, watch, and advisory lights. A CT button. Menu button. And it looks like a switch to turn the weather on for weather band. You've got volume, tune, snooze, presets, a band button, and the power off button. On the back here, we have a antenna, about 22 inches. So a couple inches under 2 feet. You can put a third-party antenna on the back here. Looks like another antenna port. EXT alert, AUX in, headset port. Looks like a DC port for the AC adapter. Looks like an alarm bell, alarm clock off for the alarm. So it looks like maybe we could set 2 alarms on here. That's kind of interesting. So my goal for this radio is I want to get this thing fully configured and get the alert function working so that I can filter out all the alerts that are not relevant to my area, so that when this thing goes off, I know that there's a relevant alert for whatever event that might be happening, whether it be for weather or some sort of town broadcast for an emergency. Looks like it takes batteries. It looks like 4 AA batteries, which is pretty good. That gives you a decent amount of capacity for battery runtime. Gives you the frequency ranges on the back. 87.5 to 108 megahertz for FM. 520 to 1710 kilohertz for AM. Weather band 162.4 to 162.55 megahertz. Yeah, so this ferrite helps with transients just to smooth everything out. So looks like we instantly got power. On the display, showing a plug because we have power through the AC adapter. It's stating that it's January 1st, 2013, so that's going to have to be configured. Not a big deal. I was looking through all the weather alerts that this thing can notify you of, and it is amazing. So I just want to put these batteries in because I'm going to eventually move this radio, and I don't want it to lose its configuration. It says in the manual you can't really use lithium. It doesn't state you can't use lithium, but it just listed alkaline, nickel metal hydride, and one other. So that's what I'm using. Nickel metal hydride rechargeables. So now I'll be able to relocate this without losing the config. The alert feature is awesome. I can't wait to use this. And I definitely have to fine tune it, and I have to learn more about each individual specific alert, because let me tell you, there is a whole list, like an entire page of them. You have like water dam alerts, you have dust storm alerts, like stuff you wouldn't even think of in your area that this could alert you of. If you want answers to frequently asked questions for the CL-100, check out that top video. The one below it is another radio I think you're going to really like.